My dad is mad at me because I acted like I had to go outside, but really I just wanted to see if he could catch me, so I ran up and down the stairs and all around the building 10 times until my mom used some treats to lure me in and trap me. And then my dad finally caught me and had to carry me up 3 flights of stairs.
What do? Hi. What do? Sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt you. Please continue. Oh my god, I can't get it, guys.
Sure. Oh my god.
Hi, Mimi. You want some catnip? Oh my. That's what you want? Here, you can have a little bit.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood. Teeth like razors to suck the meat from your bone. Yes, when all is said and done, she is a killer. What? Oh, a chinchilla.
You're stressing him out. I know. Oh, Lord. You get it, buddy.
That's cute as hell, bro. Cat.
Bailey! Sit. Sit. Alright, which one? Like for him to get the strawberry, or skip for him to get chocolate, which is bad for dogs? Did you like? Okay.
Dennis, this is not a good time for this. For God's sake. Dennis, you're gonna have to go in your cage. Dennis, that's enough.
Squishy, do not fall off the back of the couch.
Oh!
Squishy, so help me God, Squishy Marie, do not fall off the back of the couch.
Is it cheesy, Tierney?
Closest to heaven that I'll ever be. And I know all I can taste is a spoon.
First time at the pet store. Alright, buddy, lead the way. Oh, so is this the bed you want, buddy? Okay. Alright, now he doesn't want to get off. Alright, time to go check out. Do you want this? You do? Okay, I'll get this one for you too. You also want some bones. So we picked these ones. Now we're gonna go check out for real. So whatever my dog wanted, he got.
Are we having more of the catnip? I'm not sure about this new environment actually. Pats for courage. Okay, what the heck? Wow, I really like the feel of this actually. Feels nice on the beans. He. Don't touch my box. You know what, I'm in the mood to catch some hands now. Bap. Pat me, I'm cute. Psych. I love this box. It is my box. Don't look at me. My toes have developed a mind of their own. They are really just doing their own thing. That was fun.
Yeah, going ain't like nigga. Move out the way, please don't.
Just a regular day driving around with my box full of puppies.
Literally. How am I supposed to get any work done? Oh my goodness.
Mirror, stand on the wall, please try to make me the coolest kid of them all. This girl with the hair better beware, cause everywhere she be, I'ma be there like, hello, my name is Susie, that's Susie with the...
So this is their cat tower, right, from when they were babies. So here's Simba hiding in his little hidey hole, and here's his entire ass.
Wait, my dog's right there, the black one. My dog's right there, the brown one.
Mine's the one with the blue jacket.
So today, my cat almost lost one of her 9 lives.
I know. No way. Oh, are you okay?
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please. Please. Oh my god!
Kitty. Kitty on a clock. Kitty on a rock. Kitty on a fan. Kitty in a pan.
New challenge. Use the time warp scan filter and see if your dog or cat can sit as still as Bentley can. I don't think you're gonna beat him.
This one's from me. This one's from your TikTok fans. This one's from the dog catcher.
First arm. Can I keep one?
Did you know that if you were born like a couple hundred years earlier, you would have to live outside and fight for every meal you ever had? I know. It's crazy.
That's your baby?
Yeah.
Dale un besito.
This is not your baby.
finally happened. I finally found a kitten. I know. This kitten is not happy with me. But I'm definitely not leaving this baby here under this car in the heat. I'm so excited. This kitten is not excited, but I'm so excited.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mason. Happy birthday to you.
But you don't look gay. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on, let me just...
You can run. It's okay.
Freshly installed and puppy proof. Let's check her out. All right, Bubba. What do you think? Fuck.
Hi, Binky.
Bien, ahora vamos a cantar una canción. Vengan. Vengan. Ahora sí, es así. Si tienen hambre, todos hagan miau miau. Si tienen hambre, todos hagan miau miau. Si tienen hambre y quieren que yo les dé comida ahora, escuchen. No se olviden que tienen que hacer miau miau.
Kendall. Yeah. It's so adorable.
Nugget, where are you? Nugget, stop eating the toilet paper. Hey, hello? Can you stop eating the toilet paper? It's not yours. Yeah, you need to stop. Can you stop? No? Okay.
Did you know that someone would sacrifice a newborn baby to Lucifer for you? How do you feel about that?
Take it apart and take it step by step. So I started by having him touch this flag with his nose only. Then I placed that against the door, added some distance between myself and the door, and began opening it up. Once he was able to move the door, I just really encouraged that until it was fully closed. Then I named it. This was the hardest part for him, was removing the flag. So that way he had to figure out that the door being touched was what I wanted. And again, I only wanted him to do it with his nose. Then to the final result. He totally understands the command, and it's seriously so much fun.
So what do you want for supper?
Maybe we can have Wendy's, Applebee's, Chick-fil-A, McDonald's. We can have what?
You guys want to see the cutest thing I've ever seen? Look at what's going on in here. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. My heart is exploding. Good night, cutie pies.
That's not normal, and I think, you should maybe get some help or something.
What happened?
And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop me.
Show the paw and then show the face.
Don't forget us, don't forget us, don't forget us.
with me.
これなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなに猫
A fucking bed. Hey! Hey! Yeah, you got your go.
Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny.
I'm heartbroken without your love. Heartbroken.
If this ended up on your For You page, or if somebody sent this to you, there's a message you need to hear.
Andao, caminando como un flow violento, como un piquete cabrón.
What do you want?
A chocolate.
You want what?
What chocolate?
Oh, you poor thing.
Are you sure this water's sanitary? It looks questionable to me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look.
I love you. Yeah, you set my soul on fire.
Okay, I've given him too much, but he's too dang cute. We've taught him. Lay down.